In this video, we are going to be replacing country with a list of countries from HiSend API. First, we need to switch from input text to select box, which is what we'll be doing right now. So we have this common, and I'm just going to say so this will be replaced here, and I have to fetch the list of countries from the backend. I'm creating a function get countries, and inside this function we are going to be calling the endpoint from our documentation to get list of countries. I'm excluding the API value so that it will be replaced for us here. And in this case, we don't need to be authenticated. It is an unauthenticated route. And after we get the response, let's get country lists from the data is equals to response.data.data, and we are getting the country ID. Then let's add default select country. And we have this, and next we'll be looking through the list of country lists, and we'll be appending the country that is in the list. And another thing that we should do here, we should take advantage of data sets. Okay, let's first look it normally for us to see what it will look like. Then we try to take advantage of data sets. So we've not loaded the country, we just declared the function, and I will come down here and get the list of countries. Here I could see my answer, and we have quite a number, and it is not showing anything here, possibly because the data is not properly formatted. So let's see what it looks like. In our data structure here, we have capital, we have coordinates, we have currency name. What I'm looking for right now is the country name. Can I get it? Then I have name. That is what I want to use in my list. Option.value is country.name. And I think we should be good. Yes, we have our countries. This is nice, but not the best because it's a long list and is exhausting. We could take advantage of data sets so that we could search through the list. It is a natural HTML function. To take advantage of data list feature, we have to change this back to input. and we have to set the data list, which could provide list of possible values for that particular input. So going to my code, instead of working with options, I'll be taking advantage of data lists. So we already have our data list element, and I'm getting it and we are saying for each of the data lists we are passing a list of options. So let's see what data list looks like in comparison to select. So if we refresh the page, we have our normal country and we have a list. Then we could search for Nigeria and it could give us Nigeria. We could search for any country in the world and it would give it to us. That is the power of data lists. And now that we have selected our country successfully, you have learned how to use the API. You could learn to implement the states yourself, and there is a lot more powerful things you can do with HiSend API. We can't wait to see what you build.